Dianne Karg here with 1 Minute 1 Tip. Shepherd's hook ear wires are easy to make and they look great. They're also a pain in the butt because more than any other type of ear wire, they are easily pulled out of your ear, resulting in a lost earring. So, why are these ear wires so prone to falling out of your ears? It's because when they're not properly made, they're actually unbalanced. If you hang this ear wire on a small rod, you can see how the tail here sticks out on an angle. When you add a weight to this, you can see that the tail turns to almost horizontal. Without some kind of stopper, this ear wire is going to fall out. Part of the problem is this huge amount of space here between the tail and the loop where it attaches to the earring. You can narrow this gap by putting the ear wire into a dowel and bending the tail and the loop closer together. Then, when you add the weight of the earring, the tail will stay more vertical and it will be less likely to fall out. The most secure shepherd's hook is one that hugs the back of your earlobe, so that's something to keep in mind when you're shopping for earrings and when you're making them. If you found this tip helpful, then please like, share, and comment in the section below because I always appreciate your comments about my videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.